Okay. Hey, today we're going to learn a little bit about using transitions in video. You're going to want to go ahead and log into WeVideo. Um, Link will be posted there in Schoology and click on Create. You can create a video on anything that you want, but you're probably going to want to have, let's say, like maybe 5 video clips. Maybe pick a topic that is relevant to you, like something, that you're kind of interested in, like maybe, like, I don't know, heading to the beach. I think that heading to the beach is going to give us not much in the way of results because I think beach would be more general, but I'm just going to give it a go. Let's see what happens. Uh, let's see. What do we got here? Kind of a foggy picture, some people at the beach and stuff, walking on the beach. Yeah, I'm kind of getting uninterested in the beach thing. Let's see, like, go to the woods. Let's see what we got there. Kind of already in the woods, so maybe that could be clipped later. But seeing a moose in the woods, that'd be rather odd. So we're going to have to come up with some cool clips that kind of go along with that. Probably not that one though. Let's see. Yes, that's definitely where the day starts. When the moose. That's how the moose adventure starts, with this clip of the dog on the bed. All right, so where do we go from there? Let's spin the wheel of fortune twice. And in the middle of this is going to have to be some kind of a journey, like a road, right? And you know what? It might be fun to throw in a new keyword. Maybe like tires. Not what I'm looking for. I was kind of thinking about exactly. That car is perfect for this. All right. So here we go. We're going to get that there somehow to this trail. And then ending with the moose scene. All right. This movie may make zero sense. But today, what we're focusing on really is transitions. So let's see. If we kind of scan through this and let's do a little quick edit on it. The dog, where do we want the dog to be? The scene could end like right. Nah, I want the dog to be kind of looking. So let's click on the clip here and let's give a split, which I believe is that. Let's zoom in, make it easier so these things say split. All right, so we're gonna get rid of this. All right, dog thinks going to see some moose, we need a DeLorean or whatever that car really is, right? Clip is too slow. Speed that thing up. Give it 2 dots, I'd say. Yep, perfect. All right, so now we're gonna do this. Now the transition that we're gonna add here, if we're gonna click it here, it's gonna need to be pretty short because these 2 clips are like 10 seconds long total. So it can't be longer than 1 second, would be distracting. So let's see what that one looks like. It's kind of a crossfade. Personally think if we're really gonna go with the crossfade, it needs to be half of that. No, not a tenth of that. Let's try half of that. Okay, let's give that a go. It needs to be kind of quick. It could be shorter. So what I'm saying is, I guess we really got 4 clips. Probably do 5 clips together, and then you can practice like different scenes going into each other. Doesn't really matter if your movie makes sense. Probably it's kind of fun to maybe make up a little story in your head to make this a little bit more entertaining. Whatever you want to do. But then, let's get it, 5 clips there. Where maybe in the end this guy has to get new tires from trying to drive on this trail. Like you could add some text to it. In fact, you really should add some text parts to it to kind of explain what's going on here, and as you can see, think about 100 times more about the text that I am right now. Put them in spots that make sense, like not right where the video is changing, but maybe a little bit after when the video changes. Just kind of what makes sense. You don't want the words right on the road that we're trying to illustrate as wrecking this person's tires and stuff. So think about that. Export it as a video, standard, click Google Drive, export, and then that'll process. Of course, you can click done, come back, and when it's done you can export it. But in the meantime, we'll go ahead and build the assignment in to the class. All right, so this assignment here is going to be called using transitions properly. So basically, you're going to want to all right. So the assignment here is using transitions properly. Take 5 clips, add a transition between each that is just right and preserves the story. Even if the story doesn't make perfect sense, focus on making the video parts cool. So click into that. You can see there's a rubric here. 100 points will give you 5 clips, have 3 seamless transitions. An 85 will get you, or I will say the quality of 5 clips have 3 transitions will get you an 85. Video clips and transitions were combined to make a video will give you 75, and 65 needs improvement. Do Tuesday, May 14th, 2024. Good luck. See you soon.